Hey guys, Arsene here. So what we're gonna do today is try to DIY magnetic LEDs. As you see, I got like a LED strip of cheapo adhesive LEDs, and you see I got some of them in and outside my case and all around here. But the adhesive is not really good. So what I'm gonna try to do is get my magnetic strip, adhere it to these LEDs, and then see if it works out better. I suppose it should be, and it probably will be cheaper than buying them new. So let's see how it works out. Okay, so now we start by trying to remove the old sticker. I'll just peel it off. Since it's adhesive, it shouldn't be too hard. And here, there's the strip, and as you see, the adhesive is coming off, and we don't care, we want it off. This one's not really strong. It's basically just simple 3M double-sided tape. What we're gonna use is like stronger adhesive, and we're gonna use this. That's magnetic. Like you see it here. Oh, well, the other side is magnetic. Yeah, good to know which side is magnetic. Yeah, so that's what we're going for. This is a small 30 centimeter strip. Let's see. Oh yeah, so what I basically did is I bought a 5 meter LED strip, and then as you know, you can always cut them into pieces and stuff. So yeah, well, that's what I did. I cut them into pieces, then got extension cables that you just adjust to those cut-off pieces instead of reattaching them. And yeah, that's how I'm using it. I only paid like 20 euros for 5 meters. This is once again 5 meters, so I should be fine even if I screw up the first try. Okay, let's figure out how long it needs to be. Okay, I don't really need it to go inside. And yes, we got the length here. Maybe give it even some slack. I guess that would not be much of a problem. And yes, cut it with scissors. It works. I was not quite sure if, how it would work out, so now I know it's cuttable with scissors. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Yes. Now, maybe not have it. Now let's glue it together. I suppose you could use this guy. Which side is the adhesive again? This, and this one not. So this side is magnetic. I need to put the adhesive on this side. Do not screw up. Do not screw up, and don't forget it. So yeah, I'm using that glue. I'm just putting on a strip of it, not too big, across the whole length. I suppose that should be strong enough. Okay, maybe like getting some more on the edges of the magnetic strip itself. Just to be sure, so that it feels better. This is my first try as well, so I don't know how it will go. Might be a good thing, might be a complete failure. So and put it together. Oh, you saw before, it came off pretty easily. So seems, yep, seems like we've done it. Seems to be strong, not coming off. Can I bend it? Yes, the bend radius is also quite nice. This is important for later on because, oh, okay, yeah, so bending it might prove a challenge. So can I bend, do sharp bends? Yes, I can. I should stay away from LEDs and stuff, so, and then it should work out fine. This strip is maybe not the best, but for this job, but let's see. Yes, and you see it's flat against the wall. It's flat against the case wall. I guess if that works out, let's do it here for all the others as well, for the one that's inside my case as well. Here we are at the end of it, of my little adventure, and let's look back at it. So I used a pretty cheap USB strip. It cost me 20 euros, 50 meters, and I still have like 80 centimeters left of it. No, actually even more, 160 left of it. I can use it in a different project sometime. Those are 10 volt LED strips. You can get them at pretty much any hardware store. Then and as you saw in the back, I redid the cable management there because it was also just done with adhesives. But since my table is not made of metal, I couldn't use the same method as I used for my PC. So this kit actually came with mounting hardware. This is like a little hoop. Well, it's pretty convenient, and screws, of course. You saw me then drilling and screwing and looking pretty stupid probably, but yeah, I kind of messed up a couple of times. But at the end, you see everything works out, everything's clean and shouldn't fall off. That's what I'm hoping for. Plus, if you're wondering how I'm controlling it, it's like a simple USB strip, like LED strip from from the hardware store. That's why I kind of just like go along with it. So what it does here is I have one remote and a controller box down there with a receiver coming up here, and I can just like switch colors on the fly, whichever color I want it to be right now, or just put them on color cycle, so they cycle through it quickly, a bit slower, even slower, and then my favorite one is the smooth one. I won't show it to you because it will just take forever. But you can trust me, it's easy, it's cheap, and I guess I could recommend it if you don't really want to buy those special made LED strips that usually are about this long for about half the price of a 5-meter strip. I guess I had like maximum 30 euros in hardware here. For 30 euros, desk plus PC. For me it's a win. Arseny for Tech Revelations signing out. Hey guys, so thank you for watching the video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and give me some feedback. It helps me out a lot, and I want to know what you liked and what you didn't. So, see you around.